In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter reports by customers, vendors, and products in QuickBooks Online. To get started, make sure you're signed in to your QuickBooks Online account and that you're on the main dashboard. From here, look for the navigation panel on the left-hand side and click on the Reports menu. This is where QuickBooks keeps all of your standard and custom reports. Once you're in the Reports area, choose the report you want to work with. For example, if you want to see sales broken down by who you sold to, you might pick something like Sales by Customer Summary. If you're more focused on your expenses and who you're paying, a report like Transaction List by Vendor would be a good choice. The exact report you select depends on what question you're trying to answer, but the filtering steps will be very similar no matter which one you choose. After the report opens, look toward the top right area of the screen for the Customize button. Go ahead and click that. This opens the customization panel, which is where you can narrow down what shows in your report, including the date range, columns, and of course, filters for customers, vendors, and products. In that customization panel, find and click on the Filters tab. This is the key area for refining your report. You'll see a list of available filters. Scroll through the list and look for the specific filter you want to apply, such as customer, vendor, or product service. If you have a long list and don't immediately see what you need, use the search bar at the top of the filter list. Start typing customer, vendor, or product, and QuickBooks will narrow down the options for you. Once you've located the right filter, select it, and QuickBooks will show you a list of available values. For example, if you chose the customer filter, you'll see a list of your customers. You can usually select one specific customer or choose multiple customers at once, depending on what you want to analyze. The same idea applies to vendors and products or services. After you've made your selections, scroll down and click the Run Report button. QuickBooks will refresh the report and display only the transactions that match the customers, vendors, or products you chose, giving you a much more focused view of your data.